Thank you so much for coming in over here, and we welcome you on board. And thank you so much for sponsoring as well. So, just a couple of questions that we wanted to understand from your end, like how do you feel about the event? Where do you see yourself and other stuff? So, let me start with some couple of questions. Can you tell us a bit about your professional background and your expertise?
So we're a content first and an influencer marketing company. We're about a decade old. So in that sense, we're one of the oldest influencer marketing companies that kind of came into being in India. So we've kind of seen the industry evolve from where it started to where it is now, and it's been an interesting experience. That's in that sense. And I'm glad. I think influencers have become extremely relevant right now. So an exchange like this is, I think, really well timed for a market like ours.
Another question: how was your experience being in the Influence Exchange Conflicts and Awards?
The experience was pretty good. I ended up catching up with a few brands that I knew from before, catching up with some influencers who we worked with. So I'd say it's a well put together event, and it was a good experience overall.
Thank you. And what positive change do you hope to see as a result of this event?
So there was a lot of conversation about authenticity, creative freedom, getting influencers to kind of be their true and genuine self. These are all conversations we've been having for years together, and I'm glad actually that's kind of the main topic for this session. I truly hope this kind of takes shape in the real world, and it gets into action in our everyday campaigns as well.
Perfect. Thank you so much. And one more question. What do you see this sponsorship as the beginning of a long term partnership with Influence Exchange Group?
Yeah, sure. Why not? It's a good start, and I'm looking forward to continuing this as well in the coming
What
years.
excited you the most? Like, who's the most influencer that you want to go with? Anything interesting over here? Anything that you want to have us on the next in future?
I always look forward to a good panel. In fact, I thought Manisha's opening conversation was great. So I think any insightful discussion, any meaningful conversation that we end up having as panels or as even conversations or a part of the speech and keynote addresses, I think all of those are great learnings and things that we otherwise don't kind of come across in our everyday activity. Right, we get caught up in operational work. So anything new, anything exciting, anything trending, so to say, are all things that we kind of look forward to.
Perfect. And what are the key takeaways and hope the audience will gain from your session?
Uh, I covered this a little before, but a lot of the conversation was about authenticity and letting creators be true to their original self. I and the brands that were on stage with me also kind of resonated with the same thought. I truly hope this kind of hits home, and there are a lot of brands who want to kind of follow this kind of this way of working, because I truly believe that's the future, and that's the only way influencer marketing can actually be impactful.
Absolutely, I agree with that. And what about the rules and regulations? Do you have any say in that? Because influence marketing is getting wider and wider, and it's getting vast, and there is no control on this. So, what would be your takeaway on that?
I think as the industry expands, and this industry has not expanded, it's exploded, right, in the last couple of years. And if it does kind of grow at the pace at which this is growing, these rules are almost mandatory, because anything that reaches the kind of proportion that this is gearing to reach will need to be monitored and controlled in that sense. And whatever the ASCII rules and regulations and the governmental rules that we have right now, I think are really important and ones that should be followed, because at the end of all of this is the consumer, right? They're paying for the products, they're paying for the services, it's us, right? We're also consumers at the end of the day. So this is all only for the sake of the consumers, and I totally think they should be followed, and it's our own responsibility to be conscious about it and follow them.
And one last question: what other areas or regions would you like to be as a partner, as a sponsor for the Influence Exchange Awards?
This I might not be able to help much with. We're only present in India, but if there's any other interesting region with interesting content, maybe sure. But as a market for us, India is the focus market. It's a huge market, so we've barely scratched the surface here. So we have a long way to go.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. And any last thing, any good advice, anything that you want us to look into?
No advice per se. I mean, it's a great space. It's a very dynamic space. So would be happy to learn what we can from here. So if there are any key speakers, people who are say platform experts here, like people from Meta or Google over here. So usually these guys kind of know a lot more that we may not come across. So it might be helpful to have people like them over here share some insights that we otherwise may not know.
So you're talking about getting like Google Cloud or let's say Google Meta AI technologies into this platform.
No, just Google Meta.
Just
I
Google
mean
Meta.
social media platforms.
Social media platforms. Okay.
Because they have a lot of insights about maybe what works, what doesn't work, what are the things they're coming up with, all of which is very relevant to everybody sitting in the audience here. Whether it's an agency like us or a brand or the influencers, we all are curious to know what's coming up next, right? So, and what's working, what's not working, some best practices. These are always, there are some textbook stuff, but they're also people, so they also have a lot of experience. So that usually helps.
Perfect. Thank you so much again, and lovely to have you on board. And hope to see you again in a long term relationship. So, this is a family that we're going to grow together. Thank you so much.